All right, getting ready to, this is KendyK getting ready to fix this honey baked ham that we picked up at Walmart. We bought a little baby ham because it's just mommy and I. And plus we're going over to my brother's for a fish fry for this Christmas day. But this is just our food for the house, and I wanted some good ham. So this is a 4-pound spiral cut ham. And just a good tip, I've learned that no matter what store you go into, if you're going to a grocery store, always get that ham in the gold foil. It's going to taste most like honey baked ham from the honey baked ham store. But to prepare this, it's going to come in the foil. It's going to come in the black netting. Take that off. This is your glaze packet. You don't use that until the ham is done warming. The ham is fully cooked, but it needs to be warmed. You do have to warm it to kill bacteria and all of that. Take this off. Take this off. And then you have the thick plastic on it. It too must come off. And you're going to bake it 10 to 12 minutes per pound. This is a 4 1/4 pound ham. So 11 minutes per pound. It's 45 minutes, 44 minutes. So I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes. At 325 degrees. Gotta take this plastic off. Using kitchen shears to do that. Or a knife. And you're gonna bake this baby butt down. Okay? If you bake it, don't bake it like this. Do not bake it like this, because then it'll be all dry. You gotta bake it booty down. So you want to bake it with the skin side up. And don't fan it out yet. Don't fan it out yet. We're going to cover this with foil before we bake it for the 44 minutes. That keeps all the juices in there nice and moist. It's going down this morning in my mommy's kitchen. Yep, I'm spending Christmas with my mommy, and that's the best gift ever. Okay, so the ham has been cooking for 44 minutes on 325 degrees. Just took it out, just applied the ham glaze, and this was a dry glaze. It didn't ask me to add any water to it or anything. And it said to be sure to, so the ham is already fanning out. As you can see, it was all tight at first, but already fanning out. It says turn to the side now. I always turn my hams once they're finished, but I am making sure that I get the glaze down into the individual slices so you get that good honey baked crust that you're looking for all into each slice. Now this is a good ham. I always get that gold foil. I always get that gold foil. So I'm going to cover this back up. Cover it back up. And this time we're going to turn that heat up to broil. And we'll be broiling for just a few minutes until that thing starts bubbling, the bubbly golden brown. So we're just trying to let that glaze. And the glaze is mostly sugar, as you can see. So it's golden brown, it's done. It's that good Christmas morning. Smells like Christmas at my house. KendyK, cooking all day. Actually, I'm only gonna be cooking this morning. I'm just one peach cobbler away now from being finished with Christmas dinner in my mommy's house. Goodbye for now. This is our spiral ham. It is ready to go. I'm going to drain a little bit of this juice off. We don't need all this juice, but you want to leave some juice in the pan so you can kind of just run that juice back over that ham. Keep it nice and moist. Like that. Do that thing like that. And now you can flip it to its side and it's going to be all pretty. Just like a spiral ham.